Hey there, it's your host Dan once again. Today's video is going to be about this right here. This is what I call the death lamp. And if you think I'm kidding around or joking by calling it that, by no means am I. I am 100% serious. This lamp could have either electrocuted me or potentially even killed me. So I'm swapping the television out, and the old TV, you can see little coax in the back, when I unscrewed it, it kind of fell free, and when the shield of the coax came in contact with the metal base, it went da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Big blue arc, like an arc welder, on the base of this lamp. So this had me thinking for just a split second. I'm thinking, wait a minute, is there electricity in my coax? And I'm like, no way, that can't be possible. Only the shield touched. I mean, the center conductor might have a tiny bit of voltage, but it's not going to do that and be like an arc welder onto a piece of metal. So that's why I went to the toolbox and got out my voltage tester here. I switched it on, and look at this. Lo and behold, right here on the lamp, I've got full voltage. Anywhere I go on this entire lamp is hot. Look at the tester, it's red hot. I mean, pretty much as close to a lead as I can get. And even these pieces of metal coming off the lamp, same thing. They're smoking hot. So in other words, every day when I would get up and take a shower, come in and it's dark in the room in the morning and flip on this light, I'm touching the hot lead from the electricity. Granted, I'm not getting shocked because I'm not touching anything grounded, but if I did, and I were to hold, let's say I was doing the TV, swapping the TV out again, and I was undoing that coax, and I happened to touch this lamp, or my arm happened to brush against it, I would now be the conduit from the electricity to jump from the lamp through me down the coax. So this switch on this lamp is obviously defective. The lamp is 20 or something years old. It's just tucked behind a TV. It's time to throw this thing away. I know I could fix it with a new switch, but it's a cruddy lamp and we don't really see it. The only reason I use it is just to switch it on so I can see in the closet in the morning. But the answer here for me is I'm going to unplug this, smash this lamp so that nobody else can use it, pick it out of the garbage, and throw it out. This is the tool I use for today's validation and further testing purposes. While not ideal, it still kind of worked using this to further prove that the bedroom lamp was fully electrified, and I'll kind of explain why. This is the Klein NCVT-3 Voltage Tester and flashlight. Got it for about 20 bucks. Not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with this company in any way. This just happens to be the one I use. I'm sure there's other ones out there that do the same thing. The light in it is pretty handy. It's an LED light. It's very bright in case you have to look inside of a junction box. But to use it to test for voltage, couldn't be any simpler. One button press, it's on. Self-test after a second, and it works on proximity. So the closer I get it to an electrical wire, and this lamp's plugged in, there I got one bar, 2 bars, there we go, I'm right on it. If I pull away, there I got nothing, and I'm only about 2 inches away from the wire. So this is like a sniffer. Think of it as like a voltage sniffer. And that's what it does. If I touch it up here to the lamp, I've got nothing. If I flip on the switch, there, I've got a reading, because now that I have the switch turned on, the wire would continue up through the lamp, and that's why I get the reading there. Now this further proved that the bedroom lamp was faulty, because when I had it up high pointing down on top of the lamp, towards the very point of the lamp where the coat hangers are that hold the shade, this was going off like a Christmas tree, and that was about 4 to 6 inches away from the path of the electricity coming into the lamp. So there was really no need for me to go get a multimeter to further prove that there was 120 volts plus flowing from the base of the lamp in the bedroom to the ground, which once again could have shocked me, could have electrocuted me, could have even killed me. But this is a really good tool to have, one of these, in case you're doing any kind of at-home DIY. You feel you have the up to confidence enough for that, because if you're working on any circuit, you can tell before you work on it, undo the connections, if there's any voltage in it. You know, if there's anything wrong, whether you didn't flip off the right breaker or it's mislabeled, something to that extent. This is only a $20 tool, and I think it's a must-have if you do any kind of electrical high voltage or even sometimes low voltage, as in the case of swapping out a TV set. So that's all I have for you for today. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and as always, thanks for watching.